Make $10,000 per month working as a virtual assistant. Are you looking for virtual assistant jobs? Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the best ways to make money online for beginners. VA jobs are entry-level and totally beginner-friendly. Repurposing content for social media shares. General admin virtual assistant jobs for beginners. Here are some of the most beginner-friendly and in-demand administrative assistant jobs for VAS. When you sign up for Fiverr, you have the option to create a gig for each service that you offer. Stay away from websites or agencies that tell you to pay to give work. You can also find freelance and virtual assistant jobs in many industries on the LinkedIn job board. The LinkedIn job board is full of jobs in traditional roles, but that's not all. Stay away from anything that asks you to send or receive money for tasks, other than the pay for the job at hand. What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is an actual human who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. Examples of virtual assistants include Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft's Cortana. These virtual assistants use natural language processing and artificial intelligence to interpret voice commands and provide helpful responses. Our focus is human virtual assistant because we are trying to find ways to make money working from home. So, human virtual assistant is a remote worker who provides administrative or creative support to clients from a remote location. Human virtual assistants may perform tasks such as managing email and calendars, conducting research, bookkeeping, social media management, and more. Human virtual assistants typically work on a freelance or contract basis and are often hired by entrepreneurs, small business owners, and busy professionals who need assistance with various tasks but do not have the time or resources to hire an in-house assistant. Now that you know who a virtual assistant is, let's move to the next important aspect. What does a virtual assistant do? The tasks that a virtual assistant, VA, can perform vary depending on the needs of the client or the organization they work for. Administrative tasks. VAS may manage emails, schedule appointments, and handle basic bookkeeping and data entry tasks. Customer service. VAS may respond to customer inquiries, process orders, and manage customer accounts. Social media management. VAS may manage social media accounts, post updates, and engage with followers on behalf of their clients. Content creation. VAS may create blog posts, articles, newsletters, and other forms of content. Research. VAS may conduct research on various topics, compile data, and create reports. Marketing. VAS may help with digital marketing activities such as creating and managing ad campaigns, conducting market research, and implementing SEO strategies. Technical support. VAS may provide technical support to clients, helping them troubleshoot issues with their devices or software. Personal tasks. VAS may also perform personal tasks for their clients, such as booking travel, making reservations, and managing personal finances. How much money do virtual assistants make? The amount of money that virtual assistants, VAS, make can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including their level of experience, the type of tasks they perform, and the location of their clients. According to a survey conducted by ZipRecruiter, the average hourly rate for virtual assistants in the United States is $19.14. However, rates can range from $7 to $50 per hour or more, depending on the factors mentioned above. Some virtual assistants charge a flat fee for certain tasks or projects, rather than an hourly rate. What are the requirements for virtual assistants? The requirements for becoming a virtual assistant, VA, can vary depending on the specific type of work that the VA will be performing. However, here are some general requirements that most virtual assistants should meet. Strong communication skills. Virtual assistants should have excellent written and verbal communication skills, as they will be communicating with clients and their teams primarily through email, chat, and phone. Organizational skills. VAS should be highly organized and able to manage multiple tasks simultaneously, as they may be responsible for managing emails, scheduling appointments, and completing other administrative tasks. Time management skills. VAS should be able to manage their time effectively and meet deadlines, as they may be working on multiple projects for multiple clients simultaneously. Attention to detail. VAS should have a strong attention to detail, as they may be responsible for proofreading documents, managing data entry tasks, and other similar tasks. Relevant skills or experience. Depending on the type of tasks that the VA will be performing, they may need to have specific skills or experience in areas such as social media management, copywriting, bookkeeping, or customer service. Is being a virtual assistant worth it? Whether being a virtual assistant, VA, is worth it or not depends on your personal circumstances and career goals. Here are some potential benefits and drawbacks of becoming a virtual assistant. Here are the benefits. Flexibility. Virtual assistants have the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection, and they can often set their own schedules. Variety. VAS can work with clients in a variety of industries and perform a wide range of tasks, which can provide opportunities for learning and professional growth. Control. VAS have more control over their workload and the types of tasks they perform, which can lead to a better work-life balance. Income potential. Experienced and skilled virtual assistants can earn a good income and potentially even build a sustainable business. There are several places to find virtual assistant jobs. Here are some options. Online job platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru are popular online job platforms that frequently feature virtual assistant job postings. You can create a profile and apply to job postings that match your skills and experience. Social media. Many businesses and entrepreneurs look for virtual assistants through social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. You can search for job postings or use hashtags like #virtualassistant or #remote-jobs to find opportunities. Remote job boards. There are many remote job boards such as remote.co, FlexJobs, and We Work Remotely that feature virtual assistant job postings. Networking. Networking with other virtual assistants or professionals in your field can also lead to job opportunities. Consider attending virtual events, joining online groups, or participating in social media chats to connect with others in the industry. Direct contact. You can also reach out to businesses or entrepreneurs directly and offer your virtual assistant services. LinkedIn is a great platform for reaching out to potential clients and introducing yourself and your services. When looking for virtual assistant jobs, be sure to carefully review the job posting to ensure that the responsibilities and requirements match your skills and experience. Also, take the time to prepare a professional resume and cover letter that highlights your qualifications and experience as a virtual assistant. What are you waiting for? Find your ideal virtual assistant and work from the comfort of your home. Subscribe for more tips on ways to make money online.